Title holders Excelsior High and Camperdown will contest this year's final of the ISA tip-friendly Schoolgirls football competition following semi-final wins on Tuesday. Here's Garfield Jones.
The Mountain View Avenue-based Excelsior High School will be going for their 10th title when they take on Camperdown in Friday's final. The title holders got the better of Merle Grove High 2-0 to secure their berth in the decider. The game was only 18 minutes old when Calais Stewart had Excelsior in the lead. It could have been 2-0 had it not been for this miss from Orania Campbell from the spot. But on the hour mark, Yashika Lewis completed the victory as Excelsior ended the run of the spirited Merle Grove.
I think the team played well. They stuck to the game plan and they did what we worked on in training for this particular game. So the team, they played well. They dominated the game for the most part and they played a disciplined game and they played very well.
I think that we're at the business end of competition. We're at the semi-finals. So the best teams are playing. So we kind of want to have the best officials as well.
Camperdown High were more impressive in securing their place as they beat Garvamasea High 4-0 at Eltham High. The game was good and dusted from the first half, which saw Camperdown in front by 3-0. Onelia Perkins, Renice Smith and Tevia Gale had the goals before Jamelia Thomas added a fourth in the 75th minute as Camperdown sharpened their scoring boots ahead of the Excelsior showdown.
I think it was a good performance today. Initially, we weren't too sure what was going to happen, but after the first couple minutes, we realized that defensively, the keeper wasn't really good. So we started to take the shots from early rather than try to beat the defense.
First, let us give say a congrats to Camperdown. They played extremely well today. They were the better team out here today. I think we didn't show up today, but again, they did what they have to do, and congrats again to Camperdown.
Friday's showdown is expected to go to the wire, but Excelsior will be favoured to add another title to their already laden trophy cabinet. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.